It's 4:15 in the morning. I'm going to the airport, going to my sister's apartment in Boston. I'm going to answer some questions of your guys along the way, like some of these. And please, it's 4:15. Subscribe to the channel. And now let's get to the airport. I got up at Wichita at 4:30 in the morning, drove to the airport at 4:55, got there, took off, landed in Chicago. It is now like 9 o'clock Chicago time. And I got a question from Riley Smith. We got, what is your favorite tournament to bowl? PBA tournaments are special just because the importance, the value, the history, the elite players that are there. And then in terms of a specific tournament that I would you say is my favorite, I'd probably say the U.S. Open just because of its prestige. You know, it's always, up until last year, it was always, you know, that super hard tournament. It's a grind. It's a lot of games. It's, you know, 3 separate patterns. Since I've bowled, it's been 3 separate patterns. Or I guess it's been 4 separate patterns where they just challenge you the whole way through. From start to finish, they just challenge you. So that's one of my favorite tournaments to bowl. And I'll catch you guys on the next question in a little bit. All right, so the next question we got is from Ghost of Kaiser. What are you doing with the tour season right around the corner? What are you doing to prepare, or what are you practicing? So for me, I'm practicing, you know, I'm not trying to get so much on my physical game as much as I am just practicing with those, you know, tour bowling balls, like those stronger, those smoother shapes. Trying to see the lane the right way, make sure my game's adjusted, and really just bowling as many of these smaller tournaments, like you saw the holiday doubles vlog where it was 10,000 to win, bowling as many, you know, smaller tournaments in preparation for those bigger tournaments, just to make sure, you know, go test a ball out, it doesn't work, put it back in the garage, test, you know, a new skill out, it doesn't work, tweak that skill, test it again, just so getting my mind sharp and physically sharper to get ready for that tour season. But as for physically, what I'm looking for, I'm just working on my balance a lot. You know, right now I'm leaning forward a little bit, too much spine tilt. I gotta make sure I remind myself to sit back on my heel a little bit, but that's a simple fix and something that I could probably knock down this week in practice. So that's what I'm doing to prepare for the 21 tour season, and I will see you guys in a little bit for the next question. All right, so now I'm waiting by the baggage claim, and I got a question from Ben. His question is, what city or location would you, or city or state or location, would you like to see a PBA event in that is currently not in? And my answer to that would be probably Boston or New York City, because that's where my family is, and I'd love my family to be able to come and watch just for the fun of it, instead of watch when I go out and make a TV show, fly in, you know, last minute. I'd love to be around where, you know, my family can cheer me on, they can watch me do what I do for work and do what I do for a living. So that would be my pick, probably Boston, just because I love the city of Boston, and that's where I am right now. So time to pick up my bags and head to my sister's apartment. All right, so I'm here in Boston, Massachusetts. Just got here from the airport in Boston, took a taxi, got to the apartment, and I am here with one final question from Stephen Lewis. That question is, what is your bowling's unpopular opinion? So my bowling unpopular opinion is that there should be no foul lights. I think the concept of you can't go super close to the pins, yes. But the fact that you can get a 0 for a shot or a frame or a spare or whatever it is by crossing the line by an inch, which gives you no advantage at all, I think is a bit ridiculous. So that is my bowling unpopular opinion. Comment down below if you guys have any bowling unpopular opinions, or if you guys have any questions you want me to answer on the next vlog. So I'll see you guys then, and until tomorrow with a super special video that I'm really excited about. Peace.